Hey guys, it's Eric with PDP. Today I'm going to be showing you guys the new Buff Brite Furnado. The Furnado attaches to the Tornador Mini and it allows you to not only blow the hair up off the carpet, but the Fur Eel allows you to pull off any stubborn, clingy pet hair. So let's go ahead and give you guys a demo. So to start, we're going to take a can of our AG27 Sparkles and use this as an anti-cling. So what that allows you to do is to cut the static of the carpet, allowing for the pet hair to lift easier, and it'll also lubricate these rubber bristles to cut down on any wear and tear that's unnecessary. So let's give it a try. To show you how to properly install the Furnado onto your Tornador Mini, all you need to do is spin your existing red cone off, pull it off, install the provided O-ring, take the new Furnado cone, slide it over the base, and screw it on. Make sure you orientate it so it's properly fitting, like such, and you're good to go.